Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an Azure subscription and sufficient permissions. Next, open the Azure portal and choose a resource group and region. These affect latency and billing. Once done, plan server admin credentials and select compute, vCores or DTU, and backup retention. Make sure to pick a service tier that matches performance and budget. You will also enable public network access or virtual network rules, now so you can connect later without reconfiguring security. You create the logical SQL server first. Set an admin login and configure server-level firewall rules or private endpoints so your clients can connect. Then create the database. Enter name, select collation, and choose compute plus storage sizing. While configuring, enable automated backups and configure redundancy, locally redundant or geo-redundant, based on recovery objectives. Make sure to enable advanced data security like Azure Defender and auditing. These protect data and give insight into access patterns. You finish by testing connectivity with SQL Server Management Studio or Azure Data Studio using the server name and admin credentials. Once connected, deploy schemas and run initial queries, and set up monitoring and alerts in Azure Monitor to track DTU/vCore usage and weights. Make sure to enable automatic tuning recommendations to improve performance over time. If something goes wrong, check firewall rules, private endpoint configuration, and that the admin credentials are correct. Also review Azure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.